Just going on a little bit of a snowshoe from the house. Really, really, really pretty out here. Shame the weather's not great today, but just really relaxing and scenic. Hopefully I don't come across any super duper deep sections. There's a cabin over there. Yeah, can get pretty deep in sections, pretty much up to my hip, so snowshoes are pretty much a necessity.